Combat Daily Zipper for July 19, 2024. The words for today is alpha. For letter A, which is, need natin ng dot dash. And then second letter, which is letter L. Need natin ng dot dash dot dot. Yan. For the third words, which is letter P, need natin ng dot dash dash dot. Yan. For the fourth words, which is letter H, need natin ng 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. For the last words, letter A, need natin ng dot dash. Dot dash.